In a world of mirrorless bodies and interchangeable lenses, we've collectively forgotten something. We've forgotten the absolute joy of the all-in-one. 9 years ago, the Sony RX10 Mark IV set a bar so incredibly high that most cameras today still struggle to clear it. But for nearly a decade, the silence from Sony has been deafening. Until now, the rumors are no longer whisperings. The Sony RX10 Mark V is coming. And it isn't trying to change the game, it's trying to perfect it. Why are we still talking about a camera concept from 2017? Simple, because of the lens. That 24 to 600 millimeter Zeiss glass is an absolute optical miracle. It's the exact reason wildlife, sports, and aviation photographers still keep an RX10 in their bag. Sony realizes that if it isn't broken, don't fix it. The Mark V isn't a total redesign. It's a restoration. They're keeping the heart, but they're massively upgrading the brain. If you're waiting for sensor revolution, you might be looking in the wrong place. We're likely looking at a refined 20.1 megapixel stack sensor. But here's why that's okay. It's not about the pixels anymore. It's about the processing. Thanks to the AI leap, we are expecting the Bion's XR and a dedicated AI chip. We aren't just getting faster autofocus, we're getting smarter autofocus. We're talking real-time recognition for birds, planes, and fast-moving wildlife. This is the difference between missing the shot and getting it. For the hybrid shooters, here is the video fix. 4K at 60 frames per second and maybe even up to 120 frames per second. It's the missing piece of the puzzle for creators who want high-end slow motion without carrying a secondary, heavy cinema rig. And for the workflow, USB-C, finally. It sounds like a boring upgrade, but for a pro out in the field, it is an absolute game changer for speed and power delivery. But look at the market. To get a 600 millimeter reach with decent low-light performance on an alpha body, you'll be spending 3 times that amount and hauling a heavy backpack. The RX10 Mark V is positioning itself as the ultimate travel light, shoot-heavy machine. Sony is betting that there is still a massive audience that wants pro-level capability without the pro-level gear bag. And honestly, I think they're right. I want to hear from you guys. Does this modernized classic approach work for you? Or were you hoping for a total, ground-up overhaul? Let's talk about it down in the comments. And if you're tracking this launch as closely as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We're going to be covering the official announcement live the second it breaks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.